Hello. Today we'd like to demonstrate how you can bring power of ChatGPT into your Excel sheets using an add-in called AI Perfect Assistant. Our first scenario will be generating formulas. You'll need to choose Generate Excel Formula tool and describe what you need to do in simple words. After that, hit Generate with AI and you'll get the ready-made formula that you can insert into your Excel sheet. Next case we'd like to demonstrate is Formulas Explanation. This will help non-tech savvy users master Excel much faster. Just highlight the cell with an unfamiliar formula and choose Explain Excel Formula tool. Click Generate with AI. You'll immediately get the complex formulas explained in plain words. And the last case for today will be chatting with your Excel spreadsheets. Launch AI Chat and ask anything you need to know. Summarize the table, ask questions, or generate a description for a report. In a click, you receive a quick overview of a complex structure and get all your questions answered. Well, that was it for today. Hopefully, the video was helpful for you. If you also want to bring ChatGPT functionalities and efficiency right into your Excel spreadsheets, try AI Perfect Assistant today.